Oh, he's gone. It's always the same way. I come into the forest and a raven starts crowing at me. Oh, oh. So I call back. I'll just get the camera out and no. By the time I got it all set up, he's gone. But I still have this idea for a story with ravens in the forest and all sorts of stuff. It's becoming much clearer in my head. Oh, I better watch where I'm going. It's very wet and slippery, and there are stones and stuff around, rocks to twist my ankle on. There's another raven just going, oh, oh. Ravens have such a wide vocabulary of sounds. When you see crows, and they're kind of, and jackdaws are jack, 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 jack. And things. But ravens, they have a language. Oh, I can see, oh, there's, oh my goodness. There's a buzzard. Oh, oh. So there's a, you can't see, but there's a buzzard sitting up in that tree, and sitting right next to it was the, sitting on the same branch about a foot away from it was the raven going, oh, 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 there goes the buzzard. Can you see him? Yeah. Oh, and there's the raven coming. Oh, can you see? Two ravens chasing the buzzard. Wow. And, oh, did you hear that? You see, that's a totally, oh. And here we have long-tailed tits up in the tree here. So it's all happening. Can you hear that? Oh! Oh! that's the raven telling the buzzard where to go. Well, it's so nice to be out in the sun. Chilly-ish, but it's very, very damp. It's been raining solid for 2 days. And I have been stuck inside. But I've been working hard on my new project, which I'm going to tell you much more about on Friday. And it's about Penny and Benny. I mentioned to some people about Penny and Benny before. I think I suddenly realised I need to change their names to with an I at the end. Because they're a very digital couple. And I've been setting up their website today. And now that I've actually started it, they got an Instagram account, and they're bloggers basically. Penny's kind of a fashion blogger, and Benny is he's a bit of a geek, bit of a nerd, definitely a boy. And so he's kind of into computer stuff, and so that's what they'll be talking about. They'll be talking about that and blogging about that, but they'll also be kind of blogging about their life. Of course, they don't exist, do they? So I have to invent that, and I've sort of written the first post, which kind of introduces them and kind of explains who they are. So click up here, and you can go to the website and read the first post and find out where Penny and Benny met and all that kind of thing, and get a bit of a feel for who they are. Why not follow on Instagram and follow the blog too? Follows on for something I kind of thought of way back in about 99. I created a character called Craig Manure, who's an old git who lives out in the Atlantic Ocean with a very fast broadband connection as it was then, and so he became a kind of blogger. But you know, the technology wasn't available then, and I tried. I think I probably had one of the first blogs in the world when I think about it. And people would email Craig and ask him questions about his life on his island, and it just got all very complicated very, very quickly, and I couldn't handle the technology of it. And I've often thought since of starting him up again, but I'm not quite sure if I've got the energy to run that. But Penny and Benny are quite different, and I'm planning a book quite soon, which I'm going to launch on Kickstarter. Yeah, so Friday I will be telling you lots more about it. It's been raining so much. This is a path, and it's now actually a stream. It was once a tramway for the coal. Well, I think no, it's a quarry. So there were actually rails down here, and you can find. I think you can find. Oh, let me come down here. You can find stones on here. They have these holes in them, and that's where the the things are cleated in. Look, there's the other one. So these are actually the stone sleepers for the railway track that used to come down here, and they were, I suppose there was cables and stuff like that pulling the stone up and down this valley. I'm not going up there, I'm not going down there, I'm going up here. That's where I'm going to leave you until Friday. And maybe I'll do a YouTube premiere thing as well, so you can come and chat about Penny and Benny while the video is launched at 4 o'clock Friday. 4 o'clock UK time, Friday. I'll see you then. You take care now. Bye bye.